Hello everyone, myself Bharadwaj. In this video, I will show you both 4 to 20 milliamp based instruments and foundation field bus based instruments. If you see here, these are flow transmitters. On the right side, we have one flow transmitter, and on the left side also, we have one flow transmitter. These two are DP type instruments, differential pressure based flow meters. If you see on the right side, this is a hot based 4 to 20 milliamp transmitter. This instrument receives this differential pressure and then calculates the equivalent 4 to 20 milliamp signal. And we are using a two-wire instrument. That is why we have only one pair cable is connected. Using this one pair cable, this instrument sends 4 to 20 milliamp signal to the DCS system. On the left side, if you see, this is a foundation field bus instrument. If you look closely, both instruments are visually same. See, this is the FF instrument and this is the hot instrument. I mean 4 to 20 milliamp based instrument. Is there any difference by looking at these instruments? Instrument wise, there is no difference. Okay, but if you see the cable, for foundation field bus, we use this orange color cable as per the standard. But for hot protocol, mostly we use blue color cable. And you can find these details by looking at the nameplate of this transmitter. The output is FF or hot. Okay, you can know the signal details by looking at the nameplate. But if you look from a distance, both instruments looks like same except this cable. So whenever you are working in a field, you can identify the transmitter type easily by looking at the cable color. You can also go and see the nameplate, but it is the easiest way, right? Next, I will show you one more instrument, and this is a drum, and we have two level transmitters. Both are radar type instruments. See, and again on the right side we have hot protocol based level transmitter. You can see this blue color cable, and again on the left side we have foundation field bus instrument. If you look closely, is there any difference between these two instruments? No, there is no difference at all except the cable color. This is a drum and we have two bridles, and on top of that radar level transmitters are installed for measuring the level inside this drum. Next, I will show you one temperature transmitter. See, this is RTD installed on a pipeline. Here we are measuring the temperature. This is a temperature element. You can use the same RTD to connect to a foundation field bus transmitter, or you can connect the same RTD to the 4 to 20 milliamp based instrument. There is no difference with this temperature element, but this temperature transmitter, this is the temperature transmitter. The electronics inside this transmitter will be changed. Okay, this cable coming from the RTD is connected to the transmitter. See, this is the cable coming from the RTD, and bottom, this is the cable going to the control room. I mean, first it will go to the junction box and then it will go to the control room as like our 4 to 20 milliamp based instruments. Next, I will show you one control valve. This is a foundation field bus based instrument. All these foundation field bus based instruments communicate with the DCS system using digital communication. Remember that for heart based instruments, they use 4 to 20 milliamp based signal between instruments and DCS system. But foundation field bus, it is a complete digital network, digital bus. In the upcoming videos, I will show you how this digital communication works. So first we will see this control valve. See, I will look closely. This is the control valve. If you are already working in an industry, can you tell me any other difference between foundation field bus instrument and a smart transmitter based on 4 to 20 milliamp signal? Either you can see the nameplate details of this valve positioner, or by looking at the cable color, you can identify or differentiate between a FF instrument and a heart instrument. Okay, next I will show you one small video. Here we have two temperature transmitters. See, these two are temperature transmitters, and this is the RTD. This RTD measures the temperature and generates equivalent resistance signal. This resistance signal will be connected from this RTD to the temperature transmitter using this triad cable. This is a 3-wire RTD, so we need minimum 3-wire cable. That is why it is called triad. So this cable will go to this transmitter. So let's see the transmitter. See, this is the transmitter and this is the canopy. On top of the canopy, we have the tag name of this instrument. So it is clear that every instrument have some unique tag name. Okay, unique name. The tag name may contain the letters related to the instrument. This is a temperature transmitter. That is why TT. And a unique identification number for this transmitter, it is 1404. And this 32 represents area. In your industry, you may have different sections of your plant. Okay, different areas, different stages. Each section may have some unique number. So in this plant, this 32 is the section name, area name. 32 TT, temperature transmitter, and its name is 1404. In your complete plant, this tag name is unique. Okay, you may not found another tag name with same number. It is clear every industry must have some tag philosophy, and they have implement this philosophy such that each instrument must have unique tag name. Remember this. We will discuss this in the upcoming video also. So let's see the transmitter. See, this is the RTD cable and this is the field bus cable. And this is the second transmitter. See, this is the RTD cable, the triad cable coming from another RTD. And this is the FF cable going from the field instrument to the FF junction box. Remember, the junction boxes will be different between HOT protocol and foundation field bus signals. Okay, I will show you the junction box also in the upcoming videos. So please stay tuned and let's see the RTD of this transmitter also. See, this is the pipeline. This is another pipeline And we have one RTD installed here. This RTD measures this temperature, again sends the signal to the respective transmitter. Then the transmitter sends this temperature value to the DCS system using digital communication. Remember that. That is very, very important for foundation field bus based instruments. Thank you. I will meet you in the next video. And do like our videos, share our courses, help us to reach more people. Thank you.